Do you know where your money really is? It's a simple question, but when you're looking at different banks, especially one called Patriot Bank, you have to ask, is this place legitimate? And more importantly, is my hard-earned cash safe? We all want peace of mind when it comes to banking. So let's cut through the noise and talk about Patriot Bank and their status as a legitimate, federally insured institution. First up, legitimacy. Is Patriot Bank a real bank? Yes, it is. Patriot Bank is a full-service, community-focused bank operating with branches in Connecticut and New York. It's been around since 1994, offering a range of services from personal accounts to business banking and loans. Being established for decades in the community banking space is a strong indicator of its legitimacy as a functioning financial institution. But here's the most critical part, the one that truly matters for your security. Is Patriot Bank FDIC insured? The quick and definitive answer is yes. Patriot Bank, N.A., is a member of the Federal Deposit Insurance Corporation, or FDIC. You can often see the member FDIC logo on their website and at their branches. So, what does that actually mean for you? It means your deposits, things like your checking accounts, savings accounts, money market accounts, and certificates of deposit, are protected by the full faith and credit of the U.S. government. The standard coverage limit is up to $250,000 per depositor, per FDIC-insured bank, for each account ownership category. If, in the extremely rare event, an FDIC-insured bank like Patriot Bank were to fail, the FDIC would step in and ensure you get your insured money back quickly. That $250,000 isn't a bank limit, it's your limit for your funds in specific ownership categories at that single institution. To summarize, Patriot Bank is a legitimate, established community bank. And most importantly for your peace of mind, your deposits are protected by the FDIC up to the standard limits. Always look for that member FDIC assurance. It's the gold standard for safety in U.S. banking. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.